Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable BMW connected software updates, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable BMW connected software updates, start by turning on your BMW's ignition. Ensure that your vehicle's infotainment system is fully booted up. Access the main menu on the screen by pressing the menu button. Navigate to the settings option using the iDrive controller or touchscreen. Select General Settings from the options presented. Scroll down until you find Software Update. Choose the Software Update option to proceed. Look for the setting that allows you to enable or disable automatic updates. Switch the option to Off to disable software updates. Confirm your selection if prompted by the system. Exit the Settings menu by pressing the menu button once again. If your vehicle is equipped with a smartphone app, open the BMW Connected app. Log into your account if you haven't already. Locate the Vehicle section within the app. Find the Software Update setting in this section. Disable any options related to automatic updates. Ensure that you save your settings before exiting the app. Finally, restart your vehicle to confirm that the changes have been applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.